What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And today we're actually going to be going to a dealership. We'll be taking the SS here, and we're going to be looking at a possible replacement for the G8. So let's get to the dealership and see what they got. So first test drive. Feels good. Let's put this into this hood. I can't get over this window here is so small, but it sounds good. Smooth shifting. That's good. Shift is weird. It's just nice. Yeah, the shift is so smooth. It's like super smooth shifting. The shift, like, you don't really feel it. It just kind of stays, like, it shifts and you don't notice it. Almost feels, you hear it shift, but it feels maybe like the CVT is a little bit like, apparently it's supposed to like crackle and pop. Yeah, like you literally just give it a little bit of gas in it. I like that. Okay. I like that. The fucking exhaust like that. Make it pop and just like nothing. The paddles feel real clicky too. I like how they feel.
They got like a spring in them.
Yeah, like it like pops right back out. Like you hear the click. 200 miles an hour dash. I kind of like it. I like the way it feels, the transmission feels.
And exhaust.
Yeah, that exhaust. Definitely need the dual mode exhaust. You definitely need that dual mode. Like I'm shifting it right there, man. You can't even notice this shit. Notice it like shifting bad or whatever. So smooth with the shift, dude. Like even just like going through the gears.
Suspension feels good.
Yeah, for not being magnetic ride control, it feels really good. I don't think you really need the magnetic ride control. I'm sure it feels really like a lot, probably a little better, but for almost $2,000 more.
So all the two sets have like magnetic?
No,
not even.
No, it's an option.
It's not a Corsa, but it sounds really good.
Yeah.
Also, it's stock cat.
Yeah, imagine taking the cats off. It would really pop even more. Yeah, the pops only really happen when you hold it in gear for that long. Yeah, I like it a lot. Damn, I definitely want one. I definitely want one. Oh my god, guys. So I was at the dealership. I went to test drive the car and got a little too excited and wanted to get things done, and just to show you guys, I still have the SS here. The SS is still here, but yeah, I just got a 2019 Camaro SS. Woo! White on white, white with the black. I know people don't like the front end, but don't worry. There's things that I can do, that I want to do, and I've got some great ideas for this car. And just, oh my god, came with the gloss black wheels. I'll do a better kind of review or detail of what this car's got, but I want to give a huge shout out to Christian down at AutoNation. He really hooked it up with the price. He helped me get a great deal on this car, and if you live in the Houston area, go hit up Christian. I'll leave his email down below. Send him an email and he will help you out. He's the sales manager at AutoNation, and he gave me a deal I really could not pass up on this 2019 Chevy SS. Of course, it's got the dual mode exhaust. And again, it's just a quick video. Actually, I don't know if it's quick because there was an intro, but I'll go into a little more detail in this car in the next video. But anyways, guys, I've got a damn new car. I've got a brand new car. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Ooh, oh my god, can't wait to show you guys more on this car and what I plan on doing, what my plans are. So until the next one, guys, I hope you had a great one. I hope you enjoyed the video. And what do you guys think of my new car? What should I do to it? I'd love to hear from you guys on what I should do to this beautiful Camaro SS.